We want to create a multiple linear regression for our ice cream sales. So first of all, we start off by taking a copy of data, which basically just means we sort of take the data, copy it, create a new sheet, put it in here. Secondly, we notice that these numbers here are not numbers, but yes and no's, so we have to change them. We go up here to search and filtrate and replace. We replace 0 with we replace no with 0. Just replace all. Remember to mark the column, otherwise you replace it all over the sheet. And we replace yes with 1. So now our data are ready for examination. Everything. I noticed that these numbers here do have a dot as comma separator. Wouldn't work in a Danish show. So again, I search and replace dot with a comma, replace all, and now I should have numbers for all of it. The first thing we want to do is check for multicolorarity. So we go into insert and we go to data, data analysis, and up here we find correlation. So we create a correlation matrix. Basically, we take everything because we want to see everything correlate with everything else, and we got labels in the first row, our output area. Please make sure you mark this one. We just take the output area here, and there we are. So we see that sales is correlated with sales 1-to-1, guests 1-to-1, employees with employees 1-to-1, temperature 1-to-1 with temperature, and day off with day off 1-to-1. What we're looking for are data that is sort of like explaining each other, like this one, 0.96. Let's have a look at that one. Home here, we just mark it yellow. 0.96, guests and day off. This up here is empty because, of course, day off and guests is 0.962. It's how they correlate. So it's 0.96, which basically means that it's a one-to-one relation between day off and guests. So we can tell that. So in our final model, we should be aware that only one of them is present. Otherwise, will have a double impact, and that is not very nice. Here we can see how what we will expect that sales depends on. Number of guests, definitely. Temperature, yes. There's a negative impact for employees, and day off has a 0.63 influence too. So, but please be aware that guests and day off, we should hopefully only have one of them in there because of this high number here. That is the multicolorarity check.